Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clothing related video. I am going to style a cute crop top in different ways. Like I'll be sharing with you how to style a cute crop top like the one I'm wearing in different ways. So this is a cute crop top from Pastel Queen and I'll be adding all the website link and the coupon code to save your money in the description box below. So first of all, let's talk about the crop top. It is a very cute printed, let me just come closer. This is such a cute printed, like such a beautiful crop top. I love the colors, love the prints. There's ice cream, there are some rainbows, flowers and whatnot. Like everything is so cute, hearts, bat, and there is some candy and cupcakes, stuff like that. It's so beautiful, and the Pastel Queen name is so, like, it's so me. Like I love pastel clothes and I love pastels all season, whether it's summer or winter, and I just can't wait to style it and show you how to style it. Like, and it is very, it's very cold. Like it's not gonna make you feel hot, even though it is a short neck kind of thing. So first of all, I'm gonna style it in a comfy airport situation. So you can see I have paired it with some joggers. Joggers are such a comfortable piece of cloth for your bottom, and you can I think crop tops are the perfect way to style joggers. I think this is such a cute outfit. The next one is another comfortable, but it is more of an outgoing one. You can pair it with high-waisted jeans, and if it's a bit torn, it's a bit rugged, it is gonna be more pretty. And I think torn denims and crop tops are, the coolest outfit out there. Next is actually a very nice tip. If you want to style a crop top and you don't want to show your tummy, but you also want that crop top thing and the attire should look like a two-piece. I actually did it many times before. I actually wear a bodycon dress and a crop top on top, like a monochromatic thing going on. I have done it before, I had the photo. But this crop top was perfect for that because it is printed, and anything like a plain, anything pink, anything that is having such colors which this top is having will make it like a two-piece, but it's not actually gonna look like I'm wearing a crop top, or you're not gonna feel uncomfortable. So that is a nice trick. You can actually wear some tight waist tummy tucker, or you can wear a waist band underneath to hide any kind of flaps also in this outfit. Next is outgoing event wear. So I paired it with fringe skirt. This is my skirt which I got long back for my birthday. So pretty with it. You can actually wear anything like pastel color and it will look like a monochromatic look, and I really like it. It's so cute, so pastely outfit and so girly. I love the situation, I love the colors that have come out in this outfit. Last one is actually very simple. You can actually wear it with anything that is denim short, like denim skirt. Crop tops are a little uncomfortable for somebody, but if you're a little bold and you little want to like kind of go into an event where it's like a kind of a theme going on, you are going to a beach party or your pool party, you can actually tie it like a crop top and a little higher than a normal, like here in some concerts, some music events, stuff like that. It will look so cute. And also you can use the code Thakur on Pastel Queen website and you can save some money. So that's all. I hope you like the video. If you like such videos in future, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.